a beautiful day to be with Mr. Snow Guy. Hello. Hello, boys and girls. Today, it's the first video with me in here. Yeah. And I'm being joined by Pac-Man, Snow Guy, and Molly, all my best friends. Okay, let's go over here and see if we can have a snowball fight. Yeah, snowball fight time. What? Oh my heart. It's white. It got white. I'm feeling cold. I think I got a snowball on my face. It's too heavy. Whoa. Why it's stuck on my back? I think. I'm hungry. I'll eat this little pill. I can't chew it. That was terrible. I couldn't chew it. Snow Guy. What happened? Oh no! Snow Guy's melting! Oh no, Snow Guy! Oh no. Dude, it was a statue. And he was a snow statue. Snow can melt. So you don't have to cry about it. Okay. Oh God. Okay. It's okay, Papa. Did you really burn myself? Yeah. I need to eat you. Whoa. This. Let me eat this book. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my God, it's great. Oh, I'm shrinking. Oh, that was terrible. Hey, throw this at me. Okay. Hey, what is that glowing? Oh my goodness, it's an enchanted snowball. Wow. It's probably sprinkling with snow outside tonight. Wow. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.